What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Wreck Rebuilds. Today I have with me a Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This thing's a beast, not just any C-Class. This is the C63 Amg and I'm going to rebuild it. Check it out. So I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour of this C63 Amg. Just before we get it up onto the air, we'll see what kind of things we got. I literally just pulled it into the shop. We don't have wheel dollies, so we had to ask the guys next door to help us out, but we eventually got it in with a bunch of manpower. So thank you guys next door, but let's do a quick walk around of what we got. I think this one is the P31 package, which comes with the red AMG brake calipers. They're massive. Look at that. Probably two in my hands, but look at that. Beautiful. Rotors are a little bit rusted. I'm pretty sure this has been sitting in the auction for quite a while, but I think these are 19 or 20 inch wheels. Where does it say? Oh man, it is dusty. There we are. 19 inch fronts, 235/35 ZR19s. These are the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, so crazy grip, really nice. It's missing the 6.3 emblem there. I don't know why, but let's go take a look at the back. It does come with the carbon fiber rear spoiler. Really nice. Oh yeah, we have the 6.3 emblem on this side. Look at that. Inside looks pretty good. Just a little bit of dirt, not too bad. Just a little bit of a vacuum, but let's have a seat inside and take a look. Wow, does it look nice. I'm so excited to get this project going, guys, and bring you guys along with me on this journey. So there you can see has the AMG, and there you go, flexing that 6.3 V8. What's up? Let's just see if it starts. I got the key right here. It does come with the I think there's a push button right down here. It looks like they took it out, but we won't need that right now. Let's just see if it fires up. Nope, as expected, this thing is dead. Back seats. Apparently the back seats are really tight, so anyone over 6 feet is not going to fit in there. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's see what we got. I think this hood is stuck open, but we're... oh no, it's not. Take a look at that. Wow. AMG. I hear all these engines are hand built. This one is by someone by the name of PH. I can't read his signature, but there you have it. 6.2 liters naturally aspirated V8. All right, you guys excited to get this thing torn apart? Let's do it. Man, guys, check this out. This is crazy. So I just got all this taken apart. You guys could see it was a little bit difficult getting that rebar off, but we finally got it off. We took out the fender liner to get to some bolts behind, but yeah, there it is. We got everything taken apart. I think we'll have to get some brand new headlights. Fan shroud looks all cracked up, so this whole module, this whole assembly will get brand new as well. Taking this part created this kind of mess right there, but we'll get that all cleaned up, no problem. Let's see what we have in here. Take a look at that. Belt's just completely shredded, came off the pulleys. We got a bunch of rubber scrap here that's falling apart. A lot of the pipes are bent. We're gonna get all these bad boys replaced up. Oh, look at that, she's a squirter. Look at that. Subframe is completely crushed into this end. Take a look at that. Coming up over here, it doesn't look too bad, but I'm assuming this is why the car won't start. But look at that. This belt right here is completely jammed in there, but let's see if we can yank it out. No. Oh, that pulley's completely cracked as well. You can see the belt's just jammed in there nice and tight. Oh. Yeah, I think I'll have to take off the pulley. Well, let's pop this bad boy out and see if we can get that belt out. There you go, that's the right size. Here's, guys, this is gonna be loud. There you have it. And just like that, the belt is free. Looks like this one's jammed up in here behind this one. But yeah, we'll take care of that later, guys. Let's just keep going in with the damage. Back here doesn't look too bad. I did notice this box right here is a little bit cracked. I'm not too sure what that is, but we'll get a new one of that. Some of these hoses you can see is completely shredded, so we'll have to get new hoses. But yeah, that should be it for today, guys. I'm gonna get all these parts ordered up and try to get this car started. That's the most important thing at this point right now, is trying to get this engine started. And once we get that going, I think I'll have some special plans for this vehicle. I don't know what yet, but it'll be really exciting, and I'm excited to show you guys. So there it is one more time. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw today and you like to support the cause, please hit that subscribe button, make a little comment in the comment section, and hit that like button. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. All love, baby.